Lesson 1, Question 1. At its simplest, probability can be defined as the number of favorable outcomes divided by the number of total outcomes. We will be using this formula throughout the quarter, especially in the context of proportions. For instance, suppose that you randomly select a whole number, at least 0 and at most 99. That is, one of 0, 1, 2, all the way to 99 from a sequence of random numbers obtained by repeatedly spinning a spinner. What is the probability that the number selected, part A says, is greater than 80? So to tackle this, let's first figure out how many total outcomes there are. There are 100 whole numbers from 0 to 99, so 100 will represent our total outcomes. Next, we want to ask how many numbers are greater than 80. So let's list them. Here they are, 81 all the way to 99, and if we count those up, we will see there are 19 numbers greater than 80. So 19 is going to represent our favorable outcomes. So remember, at the beginning of the problem, we were told that probability is the number of favorable outcomes divided by the number of total outcomes. Since we already know our favorable outcomes is 19 and our total outcomes is 100, we get the probability of 19 over 100, or 0.19. The good news is WAMAP will accept either the fraction form of the answer or the decimal form. Let's go on to part B. What is the probability that the number selected is a multiple of 3? Well, what numbers are multiples of 3? Let's list them. Here we have them, 3, 6, 9, 12, all the way to 99. And if we count those up, we will see there are 33 numbers. But wait, we forgot to count 0. 0 is also considered a multiple of 3 because 3 times 0 equals 0. So it looks like we actually have 34 numbers that are multiples of 3. So 34 represents our favorable outcomes this time. So here's our formula again to remind us how probability is calculated. We'll take our favorable outcomes, which is 34, divide them by 100, which is our total outcomes, and we get the fraction 34 over 100, or the decimal 0.34. Again, WAMAP will accept either form, either the fraction form or the decimal form. In fact, you can even simplify the fraction form if you would like to be 17 over 50, and WAMAP will still accept that answer.